No matter how hard I study, I end up not doing very well in exams and cannot score good marks. I forget so many things even after studying for so many hours. My mind gets distracted whenever I try to focus on my studies. I often get stressed while studying, thinking about future that what will happen about my marks, my results. जितनी मेहनत करता हूँ उतना रिजल्ट मिलता ही नहीं. पढ़ाई से ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की टेंशन हो जाती है. क्या ये सारे थॉट्स आपको भी परेशान करते हैं? क्या आपको भी आपके एफर्ट्स के अकॉर्डिंगली रिजल्ट नहीं मिल पाता? This happens because although you study hard but not in the right direction, you are not doing smart work. So I am Dr. Pratibha Aggarwal and I am launching an online workshop specially for you guys in which you will learn how to study in a right direction with some very interesting memorizing tricks, and we will also learn how to manage our stress and focus on our studies without any distractions. So if you want to register for this online workshop, which will be conducted on Zoom from 13 to 17 July, contact this number. Grab your seats before you miss this golden opportunity because seats are very limited and are filling very fast.